Most people think ChatGPT is only for writing text, but these three professional flyers were created using ChatGPT. No Photoshop, no Canva, no graphic design experience. This is the first flyer that I created with ChatGPT. I'm going to zoom in so that you can see it very well. This is the first flyer. I'm going to go to the next flyer. This is the second flyer that was designed using ChatGPT. You can do this for free. This is the third flyer that I designed using ChatGPT. So I'm going to zoom this also for you to see. This is the third flyer that I designed with ChatGPT. So I'm going to show you how to design one of these flyers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a professional skincare advertisement flyer using ChatGPT for free. If you're using a mobile device, you would need to download and install ChatGPT from the Play Store if you're an Android user. If you're using an iPhone, go to your Play Store and download ChatGPT and install it. That's when if you don't have it already. But if you have it, and then you don't need to do that. So the next step that we are going to do, that's for those that are using Windows or Mac PC. Open your web browser like I've done here, type chatgpt.com and hit on the enter key on your keyboard. The next step you are going to do is to enter this prompt. I want to create a professional skincare advertisement flyer. Help me plan the design, the exact layout, color scheme, wording hierarchy, and call to action before writing the detailed image generating prompt. 8K resolution, ultra realistic cinematic vertical image, that's 9:16. So enter all of these details. I'm not going to, scroll past it. I will just allow you to enter it, or I'm going to send it to you exactly the way it is for you to also try it as you follow alongside this tutorial. So once you've done entering these details, hit on the send button, this button, hit on it, press on it. All you need to do is to wait for ChatGPT to finish generating the text. Okay, so these are all the plan. These are plan right here. So we have the complete text to image generating prompt right there. So what I'm going to do is to tell ChatGPT to generate the flyer for us, okay? Yeah, I'm going to say generate the flyer using the prompts. I'm going to correct that. I'm going to hit on the send prompt button right there. ChatGPT is generating the flyer, so we are going to wait for it to finish doing that. Okay, so this is the flyer that ChatGPT generated for us. So I'm going to click on the flyer like this. Yes. So I'm going to click. So this is the flyer that ChatGPT generated for us. If you like, you can click on the download button. This is the download button. I'm going to click on it. Okay, so you can open it like this. This is a flyer, and then you can zoom it. Design. If you want the exact prompt that generated this flyer, I'm going to send it to you. Just click on the like button and drop your comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, click on that subscribe button, like the video, and share the video with your friends. Thank you. See you in my next video.